Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Metapixel from your Shopify theme, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Metapixel from your Shopify theme, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once logged in, navigate to the online store section on the left sidebar. Click on Themes to see your current theme and any other saved themes. Locate the theme you want to edit and click on the Actions drop-down menu next to it. Select Edit Code from the drop-down options. In the Theme Code Editor, look for the Sections folder in the left sidebar. Inside the Sections folder, search for files that may be related to Metapixel, such as header.liquid or specific pixel-related files. Open the relevant file and carefully review the code for the Metapixel snippet. The Metapixel code usually begins with a specific JavaScript function. Once located, highlight the entire Metapixel code snippet. Delete the selected snippet from the file. After removal, click the Save button to apply your changes. Next, return to the Online Store section. Click on Preferences under the Online Store options. Scroll down to the Facebook Pixel section. If you see any references to Metapixel, remove them to ensure no residual tracking is left. Once you have removed everything, save your changes. To confirm that the Metapixel is uninstalled, visit your store's frontend. Use your browser's developer tools to check for any remaining Metapixel code. If everything has been successfully removed, you should see that the Metapixel is no longer present. You have now successfully uninstalled Metapixel from your Shopify theme. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.